MB, 2 MB, 3 MB, and it's again going up to 4 MB. Oh, here is simple 3 steps to boost, speed up and fix the queue issue of your uTorrent, BitTorrent. The last one step is very important, so do not miss it. Let's start. Step number 1. First of all, I will show you the speed of my current uTorrent. As you can see, it is only 270 kbps. So let's stop this uTorrent and then we will change some setting and then we will try that how it's work. You can see here the result is still it is decreasing, not increasing. So we will try to increase. So let's stop it and then we will go to the setting. Step number 2, go to option menu and then you go to preferences. From here you can see privacy, it is normal, and then directory, it is also normal. So we will go to connection and here is step number 1, the most important setting. You will change this port as a random port because sometime your server or proxy or any other thing they can prevent and you will get slow speed. And then you will go to again the bandwidth setting and from here you will change this setting. As you can see, here is maximum upload rate is 0, which is for download, and you can see here we will download will be for unlimited we will try 0, and then we will try here 280 is the maximum number of connection, and then from here we will change it as 2400. So this step is completed. As you can see, 48 will be changed up to 3. So this must sure that you have to change all the setting accordingly. Next you will go to transfer cap, and as you can see here, if there is any limit, so you must have to uncheck. If this is checked, so you have uncheck and then apply. This is complete. Now we will again double click on this folder and you can see here the bandwidth allocation. So we will allow it the high bandwidth, and then we will go to the next step. As you can see, download limit will be unlimited and then upload speed will be limited. So we will try to limit it. Let's see, it is must be 25, 30 or any like less than in 100 kbps. The last step that I tell you, this is a new tracker. I will give you in my description link, so you can copy it and update it accordingly. So I will copy and then I will paste it here. So this will be updated, and then what we can see, as you can see here, I have opened again for you that you can follow this step accordingly. So you can open and then paste all the tracker, and then one time you have to close your uTorrent to update all the setting accordingly. And then what we can see is, you see I have close, and from here also I will exit and then exit yes, and it's done. So next what we will do, we can open and then let's start and check the speed that it is going up or down from 200 kbps. It will take some time, as you can see, because the setting is updated. So I will close all these menu and then I will, now let's start the uTorrent. As you can see the same file, and you will see queue setting is gone, it's fixed, and the speed is 1 kbps now, sorry, 1 MB, 2 MB, 3 MB, and it's again going up to 4 MB. Oh, I am getting the most and the latest speed of uTorrent.